And unfortunately, there are three types of cases, and I'm not going to pound it in your head, but there are three types of cases that are filed in this court: the criminal, the civil, and the appeals. And unfortunately, with 5 years of experience, and just as of November, you cannot get experience. We're all qualified. We're all qualified to drive. We all have a driver's license, but that doesn't mean that we are experienced. We can't go out to the Autobahn and start taking on a lot of big driving tests. It's the same in this court. You have to have experience in order to hear these cases. Regarding the Coalition of Better Government and those other individuals that have endorsed Mr. Bender, the Coalition of Better Government is made up of 7 individuals. Yes, they did their homework, but if you read in their website, it tells you they will abstain from voting on anyone if they're working on the races. Out of the 7, I have 4 people that work on my campaign out of that particular organization. Same goes for the Collin County Conservative Republicans. There's 16. 7 of them from the coalition are on that same group. I have the same 4 individuals and or 5 individuals on that group that walk for me, that make telephone calls for me. So they had to abstain from voting when they came to voting time for who they were going to endorse in this particular case, because I was already their first choice. Regarding the Heritage Alliance that you discussed, I didn't fill out the application because some of the questions on there I felt as though that a judicial candidate should not be answering, because sometimes we cannot answer those hard kind of questions. But most importantly, I think if you do look at the record, if you go and you check the website, if you look at the fact sheet, this is a fact sheet that I provided you. This is not negative campaigning. It's a fact sheet that tells you where to look, because if you look on some of the information that Mr. Bender gives you, anywhere on the website that he has his campaign or anywhere else, you'll not find the day that he became a licensed practice law in the state of Texas. And I ask and I urge you to please do your homework on all the candidates. We are all here. We want to serve you, but you have to pick out apples to apples on this one, who would be the best individual to serve you as County Court at Law Number 6, and I do believe I am that individual that can do that. Terri Green, thank you very much.